Let's take a look at what's going on in the world now. We start things off in Greece, where workers at public hospitals held a 5-hour work stoppage on Thursday to protest against the government's decision to make vaccination against COVID-19 mandatory for all healthcare workers in both the public and private sector. With the measure going into effect on September 1st, around 300 hospital workers rallied outside the health ministry in Athens. The latest vaccine mandate for the health workers mean those working in the public and private healthcare sector, as well as those working in care homes who haven't received at least one dose by the deadline, will be suspended from work. The measures also apply for those that don't have a certificate of recent recovery. The Public Hospital Workers Union argued that while it does support the vaccination, it opposes making it mandatory.
I'm here today because I want to support the constitutional right of every Greek citizen to say yes or no to vaccination. I personally am vaccinated, but I believe it is my colleagues' right to not get vaccinated if they don't want to.
While vaccination is not mandatory except for those in the healthcare sector, the government earlier this week announced new testing requirements and restrictions on access to various venues for those who are unvaccinated. Over in Venezuela, at least 20 people have died in the western state of Merida after intense rains slammed the area, causing massive mudslides and rivers to overflow. According to its state governor on Thursday, more than 1,200 houses have been destroyed and 17 people remain missing as rescue workers continue to search the wreckage. Images shared on social media show cars being swept down streets, buildings filled with mud, and mudslides leaving boulders strewn across roads. Officials say over 54,000 people in 87 municipalities have been affected, with 9 states under a state of emergency. And we finish off in the Crimean Peninsula, where thousands of jellyfish have flooded the northern shores at the peak of the tourism season. Locals and tourists say the massive amount of jellyfish made it impossible to go swimming in the water due to the jellyfish soup. While jellyfish on Crimean shores are not uncommon in the month of August, the numbers have increased in recent years due to increasing salinity in the surrounding sea. 이승재, Arirang News.